Hey everybody! In this video we're going to talk about translating the graph of an absolute value function 2 steps. So below we're given the graph of y equals absolute value of x. We want to translate it to make the graph of y equals absolute value of x minus 3 plus 2. So what are we going to do? This minus 3 is going to do something, and that is it's going to actually move the whole function to the right 3 because it's inside of our absolute value. Just like if it was inside the square root or inside the squared with a parabola, it's going to move it to the right. And then this plus 2 is going to move it up 2. So we can drag this whole thing and we can go to the right 3 and up 2. I'm going to have a point there, and then it's not going to change the way in which my v looks because there's no number out in front of the absolute value. So that is translating the graph of an absolute value.